Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 lesson number 5, the ambassador's disguise. As we have done the answer questions, today we will do some questions on page number 58. Let's start. Divide the following into subjects and predicate. Subjects: my father, and predicates are climbed a very high mountain yesterday. Next is my sister is the subject, and predicate is went with him although it was snowing. My father is the subject, slipped on a rock and hurt his ankle. It is the predicate. My sister is the subject, bound up the ankle with a piece of cloth. She is the subject, and predicate is help my father to come down the mountain. Our family, it is the subject, and predicate is was very glad to see them again. Next question is find the subject and predicate in the following. Its answer is here. Subjects are old buildings and mosques, and its predicate is are to be found all over Pakistan. Next, the man who lives next door. It is subject, and its predicate is my grandfather. My father and mother and both my brothers, these are the subjects, will attend the wedding. It is the predicate. She is the subject, does not live with her family. It is the predicate. Akil and Tom, it is the subject. Rode to Fraz last week. It is the predicate. The mangoes and guavas, these are the subjects, have become ripe. It is a predicate.